Hello Dnation and welcome back to a Diecast Motorcycle Unbox and Review episode. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing the BMW F800 GS, which is a premium 118 scale diecast off-road motorcycle manufactured by Motomax. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, the packaging on this one is a standard window type boxing with all the product branding and information manufactured by Motomax. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. Well, what we're looking at today is a 118 scale diecast model of the BMW F800 GS manufactured by Motomax, which is a company I recently came across that manufactures quite a few amazing diecast motorcycles. And at first glance, this diecast model is an off-road style motorcycle that looks quite decent and has a good build quality and also has quite a bit of detailing to it. And this model is manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes it good looking. This model measures in at 4.8 inches in length, 3.8 inches in height, 2 inches in width and weighs in at about 110 grams. This model also comes with trademark paint apps with standard branding details and also has free rolling wheels, a kickstand, excellent suspension and a lot more intricate details, which makes it a good looking collectible which is functional as well. I'm glad I made a choice to get this variation, as I'll be able to add this to my ever-growing 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection, and with this model you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And so with that being said, now let's take a closer look at the exteriors of this motorcycle. Well, this diecast model might not be premium looking but looks quite decent. And so with that out of the way, now let's place this diecast beauty on the Dnation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this diecast motorcycle in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectation with this diecast motorcycle. And so with that being said, let's place this model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. The BMW F800 GS was a twin 4-stroke adventure motorcycle produced by BMW between 2008 and 2018. It could reach a top speed of 120 miles per hour. Max torque was 61.22 pounds at 5,750 RPM. Claimed horsepower was 83.14 HP at 7,500 RPM. The GS family from the House of Munich has received more off-road oriented edition in the embodiment of the 2008 BMW F800 GS. At its heart lies a liquid-cooled 4-stroke 798cc twin-cylinder power plant mated to a 6-speed manual transmission which produces 85 horsepower and 84 Nm of torque. This motorcycle also comes with optional saddlebags which can make this adventure machine tackle long hauls as well. And for more information on the BMW F800 GS, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 118 scale diecast motorcycle that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this amazing diecast motorcycle. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos, and stay tuned for some unique and fun diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more fun episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.